Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video for your English vocab listening practice. In today's story, we are going to hear a very natural conversation inside a bustling Costco food court. Two friends, Ken and Mina, are visiting the food court after a long shopping trip, and they are about to order a delicious lunch together. You will hear them talk with the food court employee, learn about some amazingly low prices, and even discover a cool pizza-making robot. The English used here is simple, slow, and very friendly, so please just relax and enjoy the story. I have a little question for you to think about. How many slices are in one whole pizza at the Costco food court? If you find the answer, please share it in the comments below. Writing your answer in English is a wonderful way to practice and improve your skills every day. All right, let's get the story started. Are you ready to listen? Great, let's begin.
Wow, we are finally finished shopping. That was a long trip.
Yes, it was. Costco is a very big store. Are you tired?
A little bit, but actually, I am very hungry now.
Me too. Hey, do you smell that? It smells so good.
Yes, it smells like warm bread and cheese. What is that?
Look over there, near the exit. That is the Costco food court.
Oh, I see it. There are many people over there.
Almost every Costco has a food court. Sometimes it is inside, and sometimes it is outside.
Can we eat lunch there? I really want some food now.
Of course we can. Let us walk over there.
Wait, Mina, do we need our membership card to buy food here?
Yes, we do. We need to show our membership card now.
Really? I thought anyone could buy food at the food court.
In the past, that was true. Non-members could buy food here easily.
Why did the rule change?
Well, too many people came only for the cheap food. It was always too crowded.
Oh, I see. That makes sense.
Yes, Costco wants to give the low prices to their members. It is a special benefit.
I am glad we have a membership card then. Let us look at the menu.
Wow, look at the big signs. What food is popular here?
They have hot dogs, pizza, chicken bakes, and sodas. They also have sweet desserts like sundaes and smoothies.
Look at the hot dog combo. It includes a hot dog and a drink. Is that price correct? It says $1.50.
Yes, it is correct. It is only $1.50.
That is amazing. Why is it so cheap?
That price has been the same for about 40 years. Costco keeps it as a long-standing promise to its customers.
40 years? That is unbelievable. I think I want the hot dog.
The hot dog is good, but you should try the pizza instead. It is one of Costco's most famous foods.
Really? Is the pizza that good?
Okay, tell me about the pizza. How big is it?
The pizza is huge, but they also have something called a chicken bake.
A chicken bake? What is in a chicken bake?
It has chicken and cheese wrapped inside warm bread. It is very large and very filling.
How much does a chicken bake cost?
It costs less than $5. It is a great price for one person.
That sounds delicious, but what about a whole pizza?
How much is that?
A whole pizza costs about $10. It is much larger than pizzas from normal restaurants.
$10 for a huge pizza? Wow! How many slices are in a whole pizza?
That is a secret for now. You will see the answer very soon.
Okay, you can keep the secret. Let us just order the food now.
Look, the line is moving fast. You can order at the counter.
Hello, we would like 1 slice of cheese pizza and 1 slice of pepperoni pizza, please.
Sure. Anything else for you today?
Yes, 1 chicken bake and 2 sodas, please.
Excellent choice. You know, our pizza is incredibly popular here. We sell a huge amount of pizza every single day.
Really? Why do people love it so much?
We bake them fresh throughout the day, and the slices are very large. Many customers buy whole pizzas to take home for their families.
That sounds perfect. How much is the total?
That will be $11.50, please.
Wow, only $11.50 for all of this food? Here is my card. Mina, look over there behind the counter. What is that machine doing?
Oh, that is very cool. Look closely.
It is putting sauce on the pizza dough. It moves in a perfect circle.
Yes, that is our pizza sauce robot. It automatically spreads the sauce evenly every single time.
A pizza sauce robot? That is amazing.
Yes, it helps us make pizzas very quickly and with high consistency. Costco has used this technology for years. Here are your cups for the sodas, by the way.
Thank you. Where can we fill our drinks?
The beverage station is right behind you. You can choose any flavor you like, and refills are completely free.
Free refills too? This place has low prices, big portions, and robots. I am so impressed.
There is an empty table over there. Let us sit down and eat.
Great. Wow, look at this slice of pizza. It is bigger than my whole hand.
I told you, it is very large.
Oh, this is delicious. The crust is perfect, and there is so much cheese.
Look at that man over there. He is carrying a whole pizza box.
Oh my goodness, that box is giant. How big is that pizza?
A whole Costco pizza is 18 inches wide. It is massive.
Wow. So, can you tell me the answer now? How many slices are in that whole pizza?
Yes, one whole pizza contains exactly 12 slices. But remember, the slices are very large, so a whole pizza can easily feed several people.
12 large slices for $10 is a wonderful deal. Now let me try this chicken bake.
How is the chicken bake?
Wow, this is also amazing. The bread is crispy and the inside is full of chicken and warm cheese. Mina, I have a question.
What is your question, Ken?
How can Costco sell food at such low prices? Do they make any money at the food court?
Actually, Costco does not focus on making large profits from the food court.
Really? Then why do they have it?
The food court is designed to provide value for its members. Low prices help keep the members satisfied and happy.
Ah, I understand. If the members are happy, they will come back to shop at Costco again.
Exactly. It's all part of Costco's strategy to create a positive experience for their customers.
That is very smart. Well, it certainly makes me happy.
I am full, but everything was so delicious.
Are you too full for dessert?
No, never. I always have room for dessert. What do they have?
You should try the strawberry sundae. It is very popular.
Let us go back to the counter. Hello, can I get one strawberry sundae, please?
Sure thing. That will be $2.49.
Here you go. Wow, it comes in a very large cup.
Yes, we only have one large size. We use real strawberry sauce, and we make them fresh daily. Many members buy them after lunch. Enjoy!
Thank you. Look, Mina, I brought 2 spoons so we can share it.
Oh, this is wonderful. The strawberry sauce is so sweet.
Yes, this is the perfect ending to our lunch. $2.49 is an excellent value for a dessert this big.
Mina, I learned so many interesting things today during our lunch.
Really? Like what? Tell me what you learned.
First, you must have a membership card to eat at the food court now.
That is correct. What else?
Second, Costco uses a cool robot to spread the pizza sauce in a perfect circle. And third, the soda refills are completely free.
You paid very close attention. What about the pizza size?
A whole pizza is 18 inches wide. It has 12 large slices, and it costs only about $10.
Wow, you have an excellent memory, Ken.
Thank you. I also learned that the prices are low to provide value for the members, and the hot dog combo has been $1.50 for around 40 years.
Yes, you understand everything about the Costco food court now.
Next time I come to Costco, I want to buy an entire pizza and take it home.
That is a great idea. But remember, a whole pizza contains 12 large slices. That is a lot of food for one person.
You are right. Maybe I should invite our friends and have a pizza party instead.
That sounds like a wonderful plan. We can share the 12 slices together.
Yes, let us finish our sundae and head home. I really enjoyed eating lunch here today.
Me too, Ken. We can definitely return here in the future.
Great. Today, I finally feel like a true Costco member.
How was that? I hope you enjoyed our Costco food court story today. I really hope this story helped you feel more comfortable with English and helped you learn some useful phrases. Now, let's look at the question from the beginning one more time. Do you remember? How many slices are in one whole pizza at the Costco food court? Did you hear the answer in the conversation? If you did, please go ahead and write your answer in the comments section. Practicing your English by writing is one of the best ways to improve quickly. On this channel, I share many stories in slow and easy English with phrases you can use every day. I will keep making videos like this for you, so if you liked this one, please subscribe to our channel. And please
Don't forget to give this video a like and leave a friendly comment. All right, that is all for today. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and see you next time. Bye-bye.